All right, these are our Facebook Marketplace dual sports that we got for a 4-week build-off challenge that we're doing in 4 weeks. In 4 weeks from now, we're taking these two Marketplace bikes 300 miles round trip to Kern County and back. They need work. This is my 87 Honda XL600R.
This is a 1993 Kawasaki KLX 650.
They're leaking oil, they're leaking gas, they're shutting off, they kick over, so that's like a win. They need a lot of work, so we're gonna tear these things apart and see if we can get them running. So we're starting with the KLX.
Because we're gonna drain the oil.
We just got this. So I've had mine for a little bit longer. I got this a few months ago, and I've already assessed some of the problems with this dog.
How long have you guys been out here?
This is kind of newer.
Yeah.
You do this.
Okay, what do you do? Your heel?
You feel for it with the...
Do you read the manual on everything, dude?
I don't read the man. I read the man. Okay? Oh, we can't get around f***ing Riley's car.
Hey, you can. You got a lot of
Oh.
That is kind of the thing though for like a trail bike. I kind of want it to be as like sewing machine-esque as possible, so you're not like just a nuisance. I read it.
Helmet. Chest protector.
I bought one.
Pass,
I got a chest protector and boots for this. Oh, in ring. Well, you can't go too far.
I know.
So this, it's off. It's off. There we go. He dumps it. But we're digging into this one first because this is brand new. We just got this week. And there's already a few things that we see are funky. And there's way too much oil in this thing. So we're going to just start with popping that drain plug open, bringing some of that oil out, seeing how it looks, and then taking it from there.
The oil is? Yeah. So if you run it at all, it looks milky.
When you kick it over, this churns up, but it goes back to clear. So worst case scenario, we got coolant getting in the motor, which means gasket problems, potentially worse. But with it going back to clear, I'm thinking it's too full of oil and it's churning itself. We're gonna pop this open, see what color it is when it comes out. How much you wanna bet? First shot. Dead nuts. Nope. Gotta try not to cuss. But I didn't want to run it because if it's churned, it's gonna be hard to tell if it's actually truly coming out clear as far as like radiator fluid being in it.
I just don't think you're hitting the right angle on it, but I could be wrong. You don't know about angles, dude.
I'll put you in a goddamn angle slam.
Oh no! It's the angle slam from the top!
Watch the window and let me know when it's like halfway and I'm gonna stop it.
All right.
Just try to stop it.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, she looks good. That's clear. It doesn't look like milk.
Okay, all right. No. Go. Too much.
Dude, I can't get it back in.
Just refill it.
Dude, why won't it go back in? Where's the angle?
Look at your St. Michael ring, dude. Just getting. Oh, that's the only other hand.
Right one. Oh, also real quick. So Kristen got me this ring. It says something about St. Michael on it. How much you want to bet? As soon as Shane sees it, he's gonna say something about St. Michael. You cast Satan out of paradise.
I got 200 in my wallet.
Yeah, yeah. I got $5 on it. I got $5 and a motorcycle helmet on it. Hey, check this out.
St. Michael protect. Dude, that's so sick. You gotta. Cal Satan out of paradise.
There it is. There it is. Yeah, it looks good. That's so okay. So
Why are you draining that? Looks like brand new oil.
because I couldn't get. You've seen like radiator milk, right? It was like it. What the f is happening?
It was a little.
What was that?
It was a little fly, dude.
Cicada?
A cicada.
You ever been in the elements before?
It was like climbing in my ear. Pimple patch. Oh yeah.
I was wondering what that was.
Yeah.
I thought it just got on you somewhere.
Stole one off Kristen. Let's top this back off.
So you guys are just now getting into dirt bikes. You picked up a couple junkers off of a marketplace.
Junkers.
You're gonna learn how to work on them.
1.9 liters without changing the oil filter. 2 liters with a filters.
We ain't Europeans. Where?
Liquid quartz.
2 quarts. So while it's
2 quarts.
2.008, it's pretty.
0.
Yeah, that's
That's mad.
I'm gonna call that a deuce.
Service it. So many miles, you change the filter. If you pulled off that filter, you're not gonna be able to tell if it's clean or dirty. Unless you see medical particles in it, then you know your motor's shot.
That's what I'm saying. I'm looking for medical particles.
Medical parties.
Medical particles. We're doctors. One way to find out.
Oh no.
That's clean.
How's the gas feel?
It's clean. It's an O-ring. Nothing like I don't see nothing terrifying.
I see little giblets in there. Air bubs.
Those are bubs. This is bubble bath. Oh, look at this. Because I got wet. Now I'm muddy.
Oh no. Get that on camera.
Well,
You better go home and change your pants.
Oh, that camera.
You better go back.
That's the funniest dude.
You said fucking.
Are you kidding me?
Well, what's the?
These are for the plastics.
Oh, it's for the
That's
plastics?
not. This is the bolt.
Gotcha. Was that for the plastics too?
Yeah.
So it's just
Did
literally.
you just take
it was
those
literally,
two out?
Yeah, it was
and
literally just this and this and this.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's like 3 bolts.
Again, I've never done it, so
Yeah, damn.
we're finding out.
I don't think you know what a bad day is. A little Bondo for the go. Like this baby aerodynamic again.
What's nice about this, because I seriously, I don't know about any of this. So like, once you kind of like start taking parts off, you're like, oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, you take it apart enough times, you know how to put it back together.
That's the whole idea. I don't fuck.
110. She ain't go 110.
Let's see about that.
We'll get her up to 115.
Yeah, I'll get her $1.15. Well, that's good. That's supposed to when it gets hot. This thing was red.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. That's your diagnosis, Jack.
I mean, it was kind of dumb to run it like that, sitting still with no air to cool it. What's going on in your air box? Oh, you don't have an air filter. No filter. Hashtag no filter. Okay, your air box is wide open with no restriction, so it could be, you know, the air to fuel ratio could be just way off, which is like not letting it idle well. That's sick that that's working.
Yeah, the fan.
Yeah, that's really good that that's working.
Now it's
Right now, it's clear. So it was just running, big time running, and it's clear. And you don't have radiator fluid getting into your engine. That was worst case scenario, and so that's just going back to normal every time. It's churning weird, which I don't, you know.
all right. Let's put the fuel tank back on this thing. Take it out. Yeah, come on now. low compression problems because
I mean, bro, you were doing like 70.
no, I was doing 55.
I was having to get up to 60 something to try to catch up to you guys. Crazy though, like we don't know, we didn't check the tire pressure. We don't know if there's brake fluid in the cylinders. We didn't check if the axle was torqued to spec, nothing. And you're just hitting it.
Like, man.
So this is dialed, all right? This thing's ready to rock. 300 miles round trip, no big deal. But enough about this one. It's time for the real show. So I guess a little backstory on the Honda. It's an 87, and the guy that had it before me blew the motor, blew a hole straight through the piston. So I tore the top end up. It was pretty far from salvageable, so I found a whole motor from an 83, and I put the two, and it had been bored. So I got a bigger piston, put the top end from an 83 onto the bottom end of the 87 original. But in the process, your boy stripped out a bunch of bolts. The valve cover's got 3 bolts that need to be retapped, so it's leaking oil like an SOB all over the headers and smoking. And then there's a bolt that's missing from the cylinder head. So we're gonna pull the motor.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Rethread.
Tap and thread all those bolts, put it back together. Right now we're getting, spec says it should have like 170 PSI of compression. We're getting 100 right now. So hoping that's the main culprit, but we'll take it from there. So I'm gonna tap and thread all that stuff, because at a minimum, even if it's running bad with low compression, it can't be leaking oil all over the place. Baby's gonna go up in flames. So yeah, we're pulling the motor.
There she is.
Woo! These are the ones that are stripped.
Those two in the inside right here.
These two, and then
That guy looks like it has no threading at all.
it's
but-
because it's down here.
Fill that can up with 91 octane since you've used my fuel 100 times since you come up. I'm gonna get all my tools, I'm gonna get my work cart all together with all my tools right there. I'm tired of just throwing shit everywhere, that I can stay organized. That shit everywhere.
Organized.
Organized.
And then you guys get some time, go
Organized.
fill that.
Gorgonite scum.
Shop vac! Scalpel!
Yeah. This is very, very important.
I'm gonna do a machine. I don't know if do I stop? Does it go through? No, it doesn't. That's it.
Just did a helicoil tap into the cylinder head, and now we're tapping a helicoil into the valve cover. So this is like a long bolt that goes through the valve cover, or the cylinder head for the valve cover. So gotta hit that one. I just hit these two for the valve cover that are stripped.
Yep.
So we're gonna tap a helicoil into those, and then this thing should stop leaking oil all over itself. And then also hold proper compression now that we have all the cylinder head bolts down.
Broke off at the top.
I know, but flange is good. Flange is good.
Because it's. No, you have the.
Ain't got it, make it.
That's ridiculous, dude.
Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Came out this way,
Yeah.
so let's put it back in that way. So it's about 10:30 p.m. and we've been wrenching all day. Shane's bike, total success. Torquing the top end of the motor in my bike, down to spec, total success. Getting it to run, not so much. She won't kick over. Probably gonna need a solid bump start down the hill. That's usually what we've been doing. And then once it gets warm, it'll kick every time. But after taking it apart and putting it back together, it's just not wanting to kick. So calling it tonight. We'll be back. This Honda will run. It will get to Kern and back. Hopefully in one piece. That's it for this one. We'll see you guys next time.